remember the day, April the 20th, 1999, for the rest of my life. It was the most terrible day of my life, and I really thought that that was the day I was going to die, my last day on Earth. I remember I was on my way to the cafeteria, and suddenly I heard some people screaming. I think it was from the parking lot. And behind me stood two of my classmates, Eric and Dylan. Two guys I didn't talk to that much. Actually, nobody did. They had always been these two outsiders. Eric pushed me away, and I fell to the ground. And then I noticed that they had gun in their hands. I remember I freaked out because now I knew that this was serious. All was a mess.